Verifying your Paddle dashboard is an essential step in ensuring the accuracy and security of your sales and revenue data. This process involves checking your dashboard setup and configuration to guarantee that it is properly connected to your payment gateway and accurately tracking your transactions. To begin, log into your Paddle account and navigate to the Dashboard section. Here, you will find an overview of your sales, revenue, and customer metrics. Review these metrics to ensure they align with your expectations and historical data. Next, verify your payment gateway configuration. Check that your payment gateway is correctly set up and connected to your Paddle account. This includes ensuring that your API keys and other sensitive information are correctly entered and up to date. Now, check your product and pricing configuration. Ensure that your products and pricing plans are accurately reflected in your Paddle dashboard. Verify that your pricing tiers and product descriptions match your website and marketing materials. Another crucial step is to test your transaction tracking. Create a test transaction to ensure that it is accurately recorded in your Paddle dashboard. Check that the transaction amount, date, and other relevant details are correctly captured. It is also essential to verify your webhooks and notifications. Webhooks are automated notifications that send real-time updates to your server whenever a specific event occurs, such as a successful payment or a refund. Ensure that your webhooks are correctly configured and functioning as expected. Finally, review your security and access controls. Ensure that only authorized personnel have access to your Paddle dashboard and that sensitive information is properly protected. Use strong passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. And limit access to sensitive areas of your dashboard. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Paddle dashboard is accurately tracking your sales and revenue data, and that your payment gateway and product configurations are correct. Regularly verifying your dashboard will help you identify and resolve any issues promptly, ensuring the integrity and security of your financial data.